Before you upload your site to the web server, you should also consider running a report for broken links. There's something inside of Dreamweaver called a link checker that will check your links within your website, and these links can be links to other pages, to other sites, or even image elements sourcing different files. If any of those things are broken, ultimately that's going to cause a problem within your website when it's uploaded to a server. So how can you work with the link checker? Well, if you still have the results panel open down here towards the bottom from the report that we ran in the last movie, you'll notice that there's a link checker tab. Now, if you don't have this panel open, you can come up to the window menu, and under the window menu, you can choose results, and from there, you can choose link checker. Now, what we want to do is run a report on broken links within the site. You'll notice that we can also check for external links in orphan files. An orphan file is an HTML page or a file within your site that doesn't have any incoming links to it. So the only way to find it is to have the end user type in the absolute path to that file. Otherwise, they can't link to that file from a different page within your site. That's what an orphan file is. But again, our concern are broken links. So what I'd like to do is show you what happens when a broken link is encountered. Now, we didn't really set up too many links within this Dope Trope site, so I'm going to come over to the main navigation section here. I'm going to go ahead and select News, and I'm going to go ahead and link it using the Properties Inspector to a document called news.html, which doesn't exist. So that would be considered a broken link. So here in the link checker, go ahead and click the play button. It actually is a menu, and you can decide if you want to check links within the current document, the entire site, or selected files within the Files panel. For our purposes, we're going to go ahead and select Check Links for entire current local site. Once that operation is performed, you'll get results within the Results panel, and we can see that we have a broken link in the index page, and the broken link is news.html. Of course, we know that if you go ahead and double-click it here on the left side, you'll get a blinking cursor in the link text field of the Properties panel. Or if you click the broken link item within the broken links column, you'll get a little folder icon giving you the ability to browse for the appropriate file. You'll also get a readout down here towards the bottom in terms of how many HTML documents are evaluated, how many orphan files there are, how many links there are, how many are okay, how many are broken, and how many are external. So you're really getting a lot of information within this results panel. So again, I think it's a good idea to spend a little bit of extra time before you publish your site to a web server and check for any broken links using the link checker command here inside of Dreamweaver.